Alright, so when we go over Nisha's chat, look, what I like to do, bro, is you see this channel I started. The first video did bad. I know because I didn't stay consistent on it. And I want to stop myself, wait until I get a disclaimer made for this channel so I don't get circumventions. Alright, so all I gotta do is come to settings, right? I'm gonna create a new channel. I'm gonna name it T Needs Impressions. I'm gonna say T Needs Impressions. I'm gonna make a random new channel, and this is what my method to escape 0 impressions on the newer channel. So you wanna make a brand channel, right? You wanna create a brand channel. And you wanna switch to the brand channel, right? And if you got a VPN, you could log out of the channel, create a new one on a VPN in a different country. And it helps out a lot too. So alright. So what I like to do is I like to go to here. I like to go to my YouTube channel.
How does it feel to have been vulnerable like that in a room of 24,000 people and I don't know how many people watching at home?
It feels human, I think. I think being an athlete, people...
I like to watch my video for more than 1 minute. So you can mute it and just let it play. And you can like it and it shows the argument like, oh, people's attending to like this video, maybe we gotta push this on. Maybe if they, and I'll keep it watching for more than 1 minute. Great video, wow. And as you see down, when I remove this brand account, the channel's gonna be removed. And what that does is, you see right here, we give these channels an impression. And if I go to here to view my channel, open right here, new tab, we just gave my channel an impression. We just gave my whole entire channel an impression that subscribed. We gave it an impression by looking at it. So that's what an impression is, and you need that. You need that because you want more impression than, you want to have more impression than views. Because the impressions will help you get your video out there more. So yes, listen, yes, you need it. Alright, so look, this is what I'll do, child. I'll go over here, settings, and if we go to my analytics right here, I'll check my analytics out. I was at 900 impressions. Let's refresh. You see that the impressions went up. See that chat? That's my new way though. I won't post it on my unedited channel for y'all, but you see the views went up too. But that's how you get impressions. But what I like to do though is go to settings, right? Go to settings, right? And I like to come over to here. And if you use a strategy, you'll get impressions. Alright, so what I like to do is I like to switch it back over to the newer account you made. Alright, so we go to add or manage channels. Alright, so we go to add or manage channels. We go to advanced settings, and we go to move brand channel. We want to move the. Alright, so let me log in real quick, chat. I'm gonna have my screen and log in, bro. Cause I gotta put my password in. I don't want to leak it. Alright, so this is my method how to escape 0 impressions. I'm posting on a long form on my unedited channel. It's going up there today. And by the way, any fake guru that want to claim they made this method, they didn't. They didn't. I'm vouched by Romano. He follows me and his brother supports me. Alright, so we come in, so they know that all fake coaches, they see it every day. Alright, so we know that we could go to here and we could delete this channel. This is the old channel that helped us get impressions. We delete this old channel right here, right? And you want to move channel. And then when we move it, the old channel will be gone, I believe. Yeah, it's gone. So you see, we go to right here, old channel's gone. So if we go to our main channel, where we look at comments right here, we go back here. We gave it a view, and we gave it a like, and we engaged with it, and also we gave it an impression. So you see that we commented W. It's gone, right? The channel's gone. It's gone, bro. Up is gone. It's gone, so meaning, look, if we go back to here, right, chat, we refresh it. 87 views, whatever. We refresh it. 120 right there. Look at the impressions. We gave it an impression, look. And we go to reach. We gave it a view, and we gave it an impression. We watched it for more than 1 minute, and I muted it. So if you could do this for many channels and keep repeating this, bro, this can help you get out of 0 impression jail. So I have made a new method, and yeah. So you can use this method, or you could do the incognito mode window way, and just let your video run in incognito mode until you see you get a push. and let it run for a few hours and then keep changing VPNs. But we see right here 1K impressions. We gave it an impression. We helped it out, but yeah. If you guys stuck at 0 impressions, I advise you use this method right here. So you see right here that we got YouTube is recommending this right here. You can see YouTube is recommending our video. So yeah, that's how you escape 0 impressions, bro. A lot of gurus they didn't tend to tell you this, but I found out this method. If you create the brand channel and then you delete it and you like and you engage with it, it gives our video impression and it gives our video view. We need more impressions than views, so that's what you want to have. So you want to have more impressions than views. Alright, so you want to have browse features and subject videos, and you can have YouTube search, whatever. But yeah, you need that. Alright, so that's all I want to tell y'all. But yeah, that's how you escape 0 impressions for a newer channel to start. And if you got more than 67 views in 16 hours, leave it up. Leave it up. Let the algorithm do a test pool. Wait 24 to 48 hours before you delete it. Leave it up. And then wait 1 to 2 days before you upload on the channel again. And age channels tend to get a higher trust score. So what I mean by higher trust score is age channels tend to get a higher trust score where if you go to future eligibility, you need to have this check channel history, and you need to have this check right here for verified phone numbers, and you need to have this check right here. So you have no strikes. So yeah. So that's how you really build up a channel trust score, and you want to stick to one niche and see what works, see what your competitors not doing. Like I brought a thumbnail style to the niche I've never been done before, in my own way. You probably seen a breaking news stuff, but I brought some of this stuff to this niche that had never been done before. So, and I use the competitors hook. So we go to here, competitors video. We go to this right here. We see that the competitor, he uses the same exact thing, but I mean mine's different. If you go to here, tennis verse. And I'm gonna use this strategy to go up on this channel. I'm gonna use it to grow. So if we go to here.
Throw it as hard as you want. Go on. Watching it zip away feels like it might just keep going, right?
Specifically trying to throw bent.
Let's skip this ad real quick.
Wait.
Yeah, that's why Romano's cool people. He's not like all them other fakers. Fake content. Alright, so if we go to here, yeah, he's cool people. Alright, so we go to here, we go to more, and you see that we gave an impression, right? And you see right, we scroll down more. There you go. So we leave it up, and it's been up for more than 16 hours. You see, look at my hook, my first intro, and then look at the competitor's intro. I mean, mine's different. So yeah, so that's how you really make viral hits. But yeah, you just stay consistent, and YouTube, it will see it as new right here. The thing would be new, and you give it like 24 to 48 hours, your video will start getting recommended. So if we go to this video right here, yeah, I think it was this
Naomi
one.
Osaka just wasn't exposing her weakness. The French Open.
Alright, so you can see the hook. He showed a clip of her, yeah. And now I try to make mine different. I try to make mine exact like my other viral video that did 11K views. So if you keep creating the same hooks but different, you could keep getting viral videos. Like you want to make your first 30 seconds of your video engaging, because this is where it comes in at. And YouTube does with a test phase. They want to see the first few viewers, how the first few viewers tend to watch it. And a lot of groups say, oh, if you give your family members your channel, then they can mess up and swipe it away. No. YouTube knows where to push this video to. If we go to here, and analytics, we go to engagement, YouTube knows where to push this video to, bro. I repeat it. It knows where the population to push the video to. It pushes it right to the audience right here. Guru said, oh, it can give your video a bad signal. Nah. It knows where to push your video to. I've grown faceless channels from 0 to millions of views. So I know what I'm talking about. But yeah. But that's all I want to go over, chat. And I want to let y'all know. So we go over to this video right here. 20K view video, right? It go to where... Alright, so if we go to my stream. My stream was yesterday, got over 300,000 views, right? I mean 300 views. I said 300,000. One day my stream's gonna hit 300,000. So it don't matter if I'm If I'm dreaming, it's gonna happen. I gotta keep grinding, bro. I'm too good of a person, bro. Like, that 3-hour one was crazy, so, yeah. I deserve it, bro. I'm a hard-working person. Alright, so if you go to hair chat, you see when I was editing it. I was editing it and I stayed on live and then I posted it yesterday, so and I just keep repeating the format. So yeah, so if you watch my stream you will know, but that's how you really escape zero impressions. So if you see this short right here, I did it for one of my short methods and it's helped me escape zero view jail. So the method work. We refresh it. You get an argument a bit more time. 24 to 20. So you should give it 24 to 48 hours. This is the maximum. And I'll see how the video. I'll come back and see how the video did hours later and see how it performed. And I'll see if it got impressions, but yeah, that's how you want to get more impressions than with your views. Because impressions, that means people are seeing your content, and that's what you want. Like this has an 8% impressions, bro, and I literally made the video live yesterday, step by step full. So yeah, but yeah, that's how you do it. How to escape your impressions. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, but yeah.